What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be going over a lower body strengthening exercise program to help you improve your health and wellness. Before we jump into today's video, I wanted to give a shout out to @MaddieCrickDesigns for making this shirt for me. Check her out on Instagram by clicking the link in the description below. All these exercises that you see me performing on the ground can also be performed on any stable surface, including a bed. The first exercise we have is the bridge. Think about driving those knees over your toes, lifting that butt off the ground and squeezing at the top of this motion, holding for 3 seconds. Perform 2 rounds, 10 reps. Next we have double knee fall out. Lay flat on your back with your knees bent. Grab a resistance band and place around your legs. Separate both legs symmetrically, performing 2 rounds, 10 repetitions. Following, we have the single knee fall out, and the big difference here is we're only going to be moving one of these legs at a time. Be sure to perform 2 rounds of 10 repetitions on each side. For the straight leg raise, focus on contracting that quad muscle while your leg is moving and keep it as straight as you possibly can, performing 2 rounds, 10 repetitions. 3-way quads is slightly trickier. For the first way, we're going to have our feet together and then extend our legs out. For the second way, we're going to have our heels touching while we extend our legs out, and you should feel this more on the outside of the upper leg. And then lastly, for the third way, we're going to have the toes touching while we extend the legs out, and you should feel this more on the inside of the upper leg. Be sure to perform 10 repetitions in each direction. For this exercise, safety is key, so be sure to have something stable around, or you can use your assistive device if needed. Perform 2 rounds of 10 repetitions. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of the lower body strengthening exercises, and also let me know if you've got value out of today's video by hitting that like and subscribe button.